just launched a new lip product and it's called the MAC Powder Kiss Velvet Blur Slim Stick. I'm super excited for today's video because I got a package from MAC Cosmetics Belgium, and guess what's inside? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Angeline Florpua, aka the Flying Angel. Ta-da! So I have 4 shades here, and in total they come in 12 shades. So I will add a list here of all the shades that are available of this new lip product. Which one did I get? I got Wild SUMAC, Ruby New, Hot Paprika, and Over the Top. For the taupe. So this is how it looks like, the packaging, and then on the side you could see the numbers and the name of each shade. So yeah, I've always been a huge fan of MAC Cosmetics when it comes to their products, especially their lip products. Actually, I am going to share with you my small collection that I have of MAC Cosmetics. And so as you can see, I have like 4 shades of their well-known lipstick, and of course my favorite, this is the lip glass. It's gloss actually, but they call it lip glass. And I love their primers, and of course their fixation spray. Yeah, I mean, MAC has always been one of those brands that would never regret buying them. I did some research and they said experience moisture matte to the max with 12 hours, mega bold color, and ultra weightless wear in a single velvet soft swipe. So yeah, it's matte, finished, and it's ultra weightless, and it's supposed to be 12 hours on your lips. So yeah, I think we have high expectations again. No, I've always had high expectations on MAC products, and they eventually meet those expectations. So let's start. So much talking. I'll basically just unbox them and I'll make some swatches on my wrist. And of course, I will wear them on my lips. Okay, let's start with number 890. It's the Wild SUMAC. Oh, the packaging is so nice. Can you see that? I love the packaging. It gives this high luxury finishing. It's totally different compared to this one. This is like the standard lipstick packaging that we know. And looking closely, this one has completely black finishing. It's really black with some golden touch, like the MAC logo is in gold, and this one and here it's silver, and the black has also like this silver glittering. So let's open it. It's kind of Bordeaux pink. We'll do the first swatch on my wrist to show you. This red pink combined color. How long are these? Okay, so that's the end. I think it's fine. The Ruby Woo. So yeah, I mean, they have almost the same height, but of course this one looks thicker, like more in it. Easily twisted to go up and down. So that's nice. And now it's time to try it on my lips. How you like that? This is like one layer. I like like this color. This is like 2 layers of number 890 Wild SUMAC. I actually like it. I mean, it's well pigmented and it doesn't feel dry on the lips. It's not the typical color that I would wear daily. The next color we are going to try is number 892. This is more like a brownish color. Brown nude. Just to compare you the colors. Oh, I like that. I like that. I love it. I like that. This is like more my everyday color that I would wear. I like it. The next color is Hot Paprika. I think this one is more daring. This has this orange color. Oh yeah. It definitely is really orange. I don't know, maybe, yeah, let's start with doing a swatch. Wow, it's really orangey. Let's try. Number 896, Hot Paprika. Well, I think it's daring, it's different. You like that? Off to the last color. This is number 889, Ruby New. Is this the same one as Ruby Woo? Yeah, it's red. I like it. So it's more reddish. I like it, how clearly you can see that all these 4 colors are actually different. So this is more red, this is more orange, this is more brownish, and this is more like pink. Wow. My favorites are Ruby New, and the brownish color. I wonder what it's gonna give me if I put a lip gloss on top. So this is Ruby New with a lip gloss on top. I absolutely love it. My second most favorite color is the Over the Taupe, and I'm going to wear this with the lip gloss on top as well. So this is Over the Taupe with a lip gloss on it. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like, and I am a huge fan of these new lip products. I'm definitely gonna keep them and use them on my makeup routine. And they are actually now available in Belgium, and they retail at 29 euros, so definitely have a check on their website. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next one. Bye!